Students, today you will discuss the AC generator or AC dynamo. It is an electrical device used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. The word generator is misnomer because it does not generate anything. It simply converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So in AC generator is one which produces a current that changes its direction regularly after a fixed interval of time. Now it is based upon the principle of electromagnetic induction. The construction is as similar to the DC motor. So we have already discussed almost all the components. It consists of the important four components: armature coil, a strong field magnet, slip rings and brushes. The three we have discussed in detail. Now the brushes, they remain fixed in their position and main sliding contacts with slip rings. The function of these brushes that the current induced in the armature coil is fed to the external circuit by means of line wire. Now it's working. We can please refer the figure 1. In figure 1, as you know, that when initially the coil ABCD, A be in vertical position and it is rotated in the anti-clockwise direction. The side AB moves upward and the side CD moves downward. So according to Fleming's right hand rule, the induced current flows from A to B and C to D during the first half rotation of the coil. The induced current flows in the direction A, B, C, D. With the brushes B1 acting as positive terminal and the brushes B2 as negative terminal. During the second half rotation, the side AB moves downward and the side CD moves upward. The direction of the induced current is reversed, and in this condition the B1 acts as negative terminal, and B2 function as the positive terminal. Thus the direction of the current in the external circuit is reversed after every half cycle. Here the alternating current is produced by the generator. Such a generator which generates alternating current is called AC generator or dynamo. So actually the advantage of the AC generator is over the DC motor over the DC generator is that it is economical. It can be transmitted to distant places without much loss of energy. And remember, nowadays the commercial generators are used, and the commercial generators are used in hydroelectric generator, thermal generator and nuclear power generator. So the frequency of the commercial generator in India is 50 Hz, whereas in USA is 60 Hz. The one main point, generally in AC generator the armature coil rotates, but in the commercial generator the field magnets are rotated, whereas the coils are kept stationary. So keep in your mind, that is very important, that generator is also known as the dynamo, and generator means to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. It is not generating anything. So this is all about the AC generator. You will study in detail in the higher classes also. So thank you very much.